Ferrari. Ferrari, an iconic Italian luxury sports car manufacturer, has established itself as a symbol of speed, elegance, and prestige. Founded by Enzo Ferrari in 1939, the brand has a rich racing heritage and is renowned for producing high-performance vehicles that push the boundaries of automotive engineering. Ferrari cars are characterized by their sleek and aerodynamic designs, often adorned with the distinctive prancing horse logo. The company's commitment to innovation is evident in their use of cutting-edge technologies, such as advanced aerodynamics and Formula One-inspired features, to enhance both speed and handling. The engine is the heart of every Ferrari, delivering a symphony of power and precision. Ferrari's V8 and V12 engines are celebrated for their thrilling performance, producing a distinctive roar that captures the essence of the brand. Beyond performance, Ferrari places a strong emphasis on craftsmanship and customization. Each car is meticulously crafted with attention to detail, and customers can personalize their vehicles to suit their tastes and preferences. This bespoke approach adds a touch of exclusivity to every Ferrari on the road. Lamborghini. Lamborghini, another Italian luxury sports car manufacturer, has carved its niche in the automotive world with bold, avant-garde designs and uncompromising performance. Founded by Ferruccio Lamborghini in 1963, the brand is synonymous with flamboyance and daring innovation. Lamborghini cars are known for their striking and angular designs, often inspired by fighter jets and other unconventional sources. The iconic scissor doors, a Lamborghini trademark, add a touch of theatricality to their vehicles, making a bold statement on the road. Performance is at the forefront of Lamborghini's philosophy, and their powerful engines reflect this commitment. The unmistakable growl of a Lamborghini exhaust system is a testament to the raw power harnessed within each vehicle. Lamborghini's use of advanced materials, such as carbon fiber, contributes to the overall lightweight construction, enhancing speed and agility. While Lamborghini exudes a sense of extravagance, it also offers a high level of customization. Buyers can choose from a wide array of colors, materials, and finishes to create a personalized driving experience. In summary, both Ferrari and Lamborghini represent the pinnacle of Italian automotive excellence, each with its unique blend of heritage, performance, and design aesthetics. Whether cruising through city streets or tearing up the racetrack, these iconic brands continue to captivate enthusiasts worldwide.